How to remove a friend from WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any chat from the list. If you want to remove this contact from your account, then tap on their name at the top. Here, you can view their profile information and manage their chat settings. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Now, tap on Delete Contact. Tap on Delete Contact again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this contact from your list. You can repeat the same to delete other contacts on WhatsApp. Following these steps, you can easily remove a friend from WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.